Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can add Google to Safari browser. It's a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So right now if you open Safari like this and get to the search bar and start typing anything and then search for it, here you can see by default it is using yahoo.com. So in order to add Google to your Safari browser, you'll have to get to the settings of your phone, and on your settings scroll all the way down, tap on apps. So after doing that, tap on search bar and start typing Safari. Here you can see tap on Safari, open the settings of your Safari, and you can see the option of search engine right here. Tap on it. You can see it is currently selected Yahoo. You'll have to tap on Google and select it just like this. Now you can go back, open your Safari, and again go to the search bar and start typing anything and search for it, and you can see now it is using Google. And just like this, you can add Google to Safari browser. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.